Each of the following videos, I will show you one pre-algebra topic, and then I will teach you one algebra 1 topic, and by the end of this course, you will be able to master both pre-algebra and algebra 1. So, today our topic is PEMDAS, and we will later be simplifying algebraic expressions. So, what is PEMDAS? PEMDAS is a memory tool that helps you remember the order of operations in math. So let's say each thing stands for, each letter stands for something different. PEMDAS. So the P stands for parentheses. The E for exponents. The M for multiplication, the D for division, the A for addition, and then the S for subtraction. So one thing to keep in mind is whenever you see multiplication or division happen within the expression you're simplifying, you want to remember that you're gonna do multiplication and division from left to right. So if it said 4 times 3 divided by 2, you're gonna go from left to right, meaning you're gonna do 4 times 3, which is 12, divided by 2, which gives us 6. So the same thing applies for addition and subtraction. So if it gives you 5 plus 6 minus 3, 5 plus 6 gives us 11. 11 minus 3 gives us 8. So now let's head into some expressions, and we will use them as examples. So let's say we are given the expression 8. Let's get that. Let's do red. So 8 plus 2 times 3 squared minus 1. What we're going to do first is we're going to go in order of this. So first we're going to go inside of the parentheses and simplify everything in the parentheses. I see a 3 squared and a -1. So then we have exponents. So the exponents, we're going to rewrite it. 8 plus 2 times 3 squared is the same thing as 3 times 3, which gives us 9. So 9 minus 1. So then 8 plus 2 times 9 minus 1 gives us what? 8. So then we're gonna do the next step, which is multiplication and division. So this is from left to right, but we don't have a division here, so we're just gonna simplify the multiplication part over here. So 8 plus 2 times 8 gives us what? It gives us 16. So then we add it. 8 plus 16, what does it give us? Solve 24. So that's your answer. Let's try another example. Let's do this one in green. So the next example is 5 times 2 plus 3 squared. Try this on your own. Pause the video. Okay, so now I'll go through it and explain it to you step by step. First, we're going to do what's inside of the parentheses. We have PEMDAS, right? Let's write that on the side. PEMDAS. So first is parentheses. So 5 times 2 plus 3 gives us 5 squared. Next is exponents. So 5 squared. So 5 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. So 5 times 25 Oh, why did I write that? Anyway, 5 times 25, and which later gives us 125. So this is our answer. We can do another example, which is let's do 6 plus 3 minus 1. Let's do squared. So first, pause the video, try it on your own. I'm gonna go through it now. So first is PEMDAS. We have the parentheses. So next is 3 minus 1. So 6 plus 3 minus 1 gives us 2 squared. Next is the exponents. So 6 plus 2 squared. 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2, which gives us 4. So 6 plus 4, and this gives us 10. So our answer is 10. So now we're going to be moving on to algebraic expressions. So, algebraic expressions basically just means that you're combining like terms and following order of operations. But one thing to keep in mind is that algebraic expressions is just when you have a variable. So one example can be, let's say, 3x plus 4 plus 2x minus 1. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms. But before we combine our like terms, let's identify them. So we see that the 3x and 2x, they're both similar. And we know that they're like terms because they both have that variable x. But let's say we had a plus 4x squared. X squared is not gonna be a like term to a general x. That's one thing to keep in mind. So we would then have 3x plus 2x. Those are two common like terms. Then we have the 4 and the -1. So one thing to do is when you're solving these type of equations, always keep the sign in front of them. Like, remember those signs, because what we're gonna do now is put them next to each other. So the 3x and the 2, 3x plus 2x, and then the 4, we're gonna do plus 4 minus 1. Now simplify. 3 plus 2 gives us 5x plus 4 minus 1 gives us 3. So this is our simplified expression. Let's do another example. Let's do 2x plus 3 minus x plus 7 minus 4. Let's look at the like terms. Straight up see that 2x and this -x, they're similar. And then we also have 3, the +7, and the -4 as like terms. Once again, I know that this 2x and this -x are like terms because they both have a variable x. And I know that it's just x and there's no x squared or anything such like that. So let me just erase that. Okay, so now coming back to here, let's put the 2x next to each other. So 2x minus x plus 3, the 7, so plus 7 minus 4. Now we do the order of operations thing, PEMDAS. Because they're all addition and subtraction, we're just gonna go 2x minus x, which gives us x, 1x. So when you have like -x or just x, remember that there's a 1 in front of it. This is just like an imaginary 1. But you can also write that 1 here. So 2 minus 1 gives us 1x plus 3 plus 7. That gives us 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4, that gives us 6. So 1x plus 6 is our simplified expression. Now try the next one on your own. It is 4a minus 2 plus 3a plus 5. Okay, so I'm gonna start solving it. Pause the video, try it on your own. 4a is a like term with 3a, and this negative 2 and a positive 5. So now we're gonna put it together. We're gonna put the variable first, so 4a plus 3a, and then we're gonna put the numbers together, minus 2 plus 5, and this is the same thing as saying 5 minus 2. So now when we solve, we get 4a plus 3a, so take the 4, the 3, add them, 7a, and the 5 minus 2 gives us plus 3. So this is our simplified expression. Awesome work. Today you learned how to use PEMDAS and how to simplify algebraic expressions. These are big steps in our math course. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. The final challenge, I will give you one question. Solve this and find the answer in the description. So 7x squared plus 6x minus 2 plus 4x plus 7 minus 3x. Ooh, ran out of space there. But solve this question and find your answer in the descriptions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.